Good morning, student. This is your computer teacher Nagendra Kumar. I hope you all are fine at your home. In last video, I had explained how to marking cell and grouping pair, quad, and octet in KMap. Now, in this video, I am going to explain SOP reduction rule for pair, quad, and octet in KMap. So let's start with pair reduction rule for SOP. Consider the following four variable KMap. In this KMap, cell 3, 4, 7 and 12 are marked by 1. Now, we mark the cell in pairs. That means set of 2. So, the after making the pair, the first pair is M4 and M12, and the expression for the first pair is the mean terms of M4 and M12. So mean term for the M4 is W complement X, Y complement, Z complement, and the mean term for the M12 is WX, Y complement, Z complement. In the same way, we also find the expression for the second pair M3 and M7. Now we will remove the variable that change in the first and second pair. Looking at the first pair, W complement change to W. W complement change to W. So we remove it, and our final expression for the first pair is X, Y complement, Z complement, and in the second pair X complement change to X. So we remove this X variable, and we got the final expression is W complement Y and Z. So one thing keep in your mind, after pair reduction rule, it removes one variable from the expression. Now, quad reduction rule. Again, consider this four variable KMap, and here cell M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M7, M6, M8 and M12 having the value 1. So mark the cell in this KMap, mark the cell in quad, means set of 4. So after marking the cell, we got two quad. The first quad is M0, M4, M8 and M12, and the second quad is M2, M3, M6 and M7, and adding the all the mean terms of the cells, we got the expression for the first quad and the second quad. Either expression is given. Now we will remove the variable that change in the first and second quad. So looking at the first quad, W complement change to W, and Y complement change to W complement change to W, and X complement change to X. So we remove W and X variable, and finally we got the expression Y complement and Z complement. In second quad, the X complement change to X, and Z complement change to Z. So again we have to remove X and Z from the second quad, and we got the final expression for the second quad is W complement Y. So in quad reduction rule removes two variables from the expression. Keep in your mind. Now octet reduction rule for SOP. Now we consider the another KMap where M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6 and M7 upper two rows are having the value 1. So here mark the cell in octet. It means set of 8. So here the octet is M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6 and M7. We create a single octet in this K-map, and the min-term expression is also given on your screen. Now the octet looking at the octet here, from left to right, we have see this K-map left to right, Y bar change to Y and Z bar change to Z, and looking from top to bottom, X bar change to X. It means three variable we have to remove for the octet. The first one is X, second one is the Y, and third one is the Z. So our final reduction expression is W complement. We have removed 3. So octet reduction rule will remove 3 variable. We can directly remove the variables with the help of K-map, and it is quite easy. Now map rolling reduction rule mark for pairs. Map rolling reduction rule for pairs. Now consider this K-map. In this K-map we have rolled it and then mark the pair. After rolling we got the first pair M1 and M9. Rolling from top to bottom we got M1 to M9, and rolling from left to right we got the second pair M12 and M14. Now in first pair W complement change to W, so we remove W in the first pair and we got X complement, Y complement and Z. In the second pair Y complement change to Y, so we remove Y variable from the second pair and we got W, X and Z complement. Now map rolling reduction for quad. In this K-map we have rolled it and then marked the quad. In the last we have marked a pair, and in this we mark the quad. After rolling from top to bottom, the first quad is M1, M3, M9 and M11, and from rolling from left to right, the second quad is M4, M12, M6 and M14. From first quad, W bar change to W and Y bar change to Y. So we have to remove W and Y variable and we got X bar Z for the first quad. In second quad, the W bar change to W and Y bar change to Y. So in second quad we have to remove W bar and W and X variable, W and Y variable, because W bar change to W and Y change to Y bar or Y complement. So we got here we remove the W and Y, and final we got X and Z bar. Now map rolling reduction rule for octet. After rolling the K-map, we find the octet here M0, M1, M2, M3, M9, M8, M9, M10 and M11. The first row and the last row. All the 4 cells are rolling and we got the octet. Okay. In the in this K-map we have rolled and find the you have rolled the K-map in top to bottom. Okay, now looking at the octet, we can find that W complement change to W, Y complement change to Y, and Z complement change to Z. So we have removed W, Y and Z from this octet, and finally we got only one variable, that is X complement. So for final expression for octet is X complement. So student, in this way we reduce pair, quad and octet in K-map, and it is only for the SOP, sum of product. Okay, so student, that's all for today. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.